In Dynamics 365 Business Central, the role-tailored homepage offers metrics, cues, and shortcuts to key areas within the application relevant to this role owner. You can select a role center that is relevant for your role. In this demo, let's take a look at the Accountant Role Center page and the information relevant for this role. All of the information is provided in detail with a single click, such as key accounts, customers, or metrics. Let's have a look at the Aged Accountant Receivable Report. In the report, it's alarming to see outstanding receivables more than 4 weeks old, and even 10 weeks old. Let's drill into the 10 weeks past due to see what customers to call ASAP and collect. On the Accountant Role Center, under Finance Performance, the cash cycle and cash flow charts offer ways to analyze cash flow. See figures for a period by using the timeline slider, or filter the charts by choosing the source in the legend. Now let's hop over to April to get a quick overview of the cash flow forecast. In Dynamics 365 Business Central, the chart of accounts is the core of all financial process. Let's navigate to the chart of accounts. In the chart of accounts list, you get an overview of all accounts, including balances and changes. As with many other lists in Business Central, you can export the data to Excel, where users can begin to leverage Excel for additional, flexible tasks and manipulation. In Business Central, an accountant or bookkeeper uses journals to record a transaction, such as a payment, to an account. Let's create a journal for an office supplies expense. Select General Journals. Select Default Journal Batch. Enter account number 61400 and/or the office supplies expense. Enter the debit amount for the expense. And you can post the transaction without any additional steps. However, if the company needs to track certain expenses by dimensions, such as department, region, or country, it's possible to do this in Dynamics 365 Business Central, which isn't always simple in other accounting systems. There's an option available from within the ribbon called Dimension. When using dimensions, the user can assign attributes and values that categorize entries in order to track and analyze them further. For this entry, let's choose the Department Dimension code from the drop-down menu. Select Sales in the Dimension Value code. To finalize, let's post the transaction, including the account code, amount, and dimension. In the Role Center, users can easily add any account to the favorites list, keep track of key accounts, and quickly drill into the accounts, such as accounts payable, directly from the home page. Let's show how by clicking on Account Payable, account 20100. Then select Ledger Entries in the ribbon. With this capability, you can quickly and easily see the supporting ledger entries for this account. The goal of this demo was to give a brief overview of the financials capabilities and show how Dynamics 365 Business Central can improve control of data and limit errors to ensure data accuracy.